Let us now see the various applications of adsorption. It is used in gas mask, adsorption indicators, chromatographic separation, removal of coloring matter, heterogeneous catalysis, controlling humidity, curing diseases, froth flotation process, production of high vacuum, and purification. We shall see the applications of adsorption one by one in detail. Production of high vacuum. To produce vacuum or to remove even the last traces of air, activated charcoal can be used. Another application is used in gas mask. Gas mask is a device which consists of activated charcoal or a mixture of adsorbents. These adsorbents present in the gas mask help to remove the poisonous gases. Another application is to control the humidity. Humidity is due to the presence of water vapor in the atmosphere. This moisture or water vapor present in air can be reduced using adsorbents like silica gel or alumina gel. Here, water vapor or moisture gets adsorbed. Next application of adsorption is removal of coloring matter from solutions. Suppose if we have colored solutions, the colored component can be removed from the solution by adding a suitable adsorbent like activated charcoal or animal charcoal to the solution. The colored impurities will get adsorbed by the adsorbent. Next application is heterogeneous catalysis. Catalysis is a reaction which is carried out in the presence of a catalyst. Now in heterogeneous catalysis, the adsorption of the reactants on the surface of the catalyst will take place. This adsorption of reactants on the surface of the catalyst helps to increase the rate of a reaction. Coming to the separation of inert gases. You know the inert gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton and xenon. These inert gases can be separated by applying the principle of adsorption. This is because the different inert gases gets adsorbed onto the charcoal, that is coconut charcoal, to different extents. Since there is a difference in the extent to which the various inert gases gets adsorbed on the surface of the adsorbent, that is coconut charcoal, it can be used in the separation of inert gases. Another application is in curing diseases. A number of drugs are used to kill germs by getting adsorbed on them. Froth flotation process. This is a process which is used in the concentration of ore, which is used in metallurgy. Sulfide ores are usually concentrated by froth flotation process, and here adsorption takes place. Adsorption indicators. You know what is meant by an indicator. You are familiar with acid-base indicators. In a similar way, we have another type of indicators called as adsorption indicators. Surfaces of certain precipitates such as silver halides have the property of adsorbing dyes like eosin, fluorescein on its surface. Therefore, adsorption indicators can be used to produce a characteristic color at the end point. This video helps you to see how adsorption, how it can be used to remove the coloring matter from solution. See here, activated charcoal is added to a colored solution, and after adding the charcoal, stir it well using a glass rod. Now slowly filter it through a filter paper. The filter paper is placed on a beaker. You will find that the solution which is coming out through the filter paper is colorless. This is because the coloring matter has been absorbed. Now another example. Water is taken into different beakers. Add the dimethylene blue to one of the beakers in which water is taken. In the other beaker also you can add methylene blue. Stir it well so that the color gets uniformly distributed. After that, to one of the beakers in which you have taken methylene blue solution, add activated charcoal and stir it well. After some time, you will find that the solution of methylene blue to which charcoal has been added becomes colorless after some time. This is because the dimethylene blue gets absorbed by charcoal.